Guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can take a screenshot or print screen just like Windows on your Mac. Okay, to doing this, just push command, keep pushing, push shift, keep pushing, and then push number 3. Here you go. You have a screenshot on your desktop. But if you like to send copy to clipboard, push command, keep pushing, push shift, keep pushing, push command, control, keep pushing, and then number 3. Okay, now you have a copy in your clipboard. So I advise you can open preview. It's handy tools for doing this. Go on top left file, new from clipboard. Here you go. So you have it here. You can play with that here. For example, if you like to corp it, so you go to tools. Oh, you see corp is not available. Yes, I tell you why. Because you need to choose a portion, and then here you have it. Okay, it's now corped. So now you can save it wherever you like. Or also you have other tools. You can adjust the size. You say, okay, I want to change size, for example, in pixel or percent or inch, whatever you like. So I say, okay, I want to be 50%. Yeah, it's smaller now. Or you can flip it horizontally or vertically. At the end, whatever you like, you can save it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching us. Have a great one. Bye bye.